Hey guys, what's up? I know I haven't made a video in a really long time, but today I'm going to be showing you how I did these Moonstone nails using the dip powder method, otherwise known as resin and powder. So let's get started. So for these Moonstone nails, these are the products that I'm going to be using. First off, a clear acrylic powder, a white powder, a light blue periwinkle powder, and this is just a custom mix I made with a darker blue. And some of those chameleon transparent iridescent flake things, as well as some acrylic paint, or you can also use airbrush paint. I like to mix the two because this one is a lot thinner in consistency and easier to work with. Alright, so as you can see, I already prepared my natural nail. I pushed back the cuticles, removed all that dead skin, took off the surface shine, so it's ready to go. I'm going to start off with my thicker resin as a base. Put a layer of that on. Do your best possible not to get this in your cuticles because that will provoke lifting. And as a base, I'm just putting a layer of clear powder. Then I'm going to take my periwinkle blue over here, and I'm taking a 5-second brush on glue. This brush on glue is a lot thinner in consistency, so it's gonna be a lot easier to work with to get that kind of marbly effect. So I'm putting a layer of this on first so the powders have something to glide on. And let's see if I can show you. I'm gonna work this like it was acrylic. I'm picking up a little ball of that on the tip of my brush. And I'm just gonna do a swirly kind of design. The cool thing about this is it doesn't have to be perfect because it's a gemstone and none of them look alike. So pretty much what all of this is I'm switching between the colors. Now I'm gonna grab some of that dark blue. And just a little bit of white, just to say. I'm still using that same 5-second brush on glue. Now I'm going to take my little chameleon flake thingies over here. And this is what really going to give that moonstone effect, is by adding these little iridescent flakes. So I'm just going to pop some of those on top. And then I'm going to re-put my clear powder on top of that. And now I'm gonna go do another layer, and that's what's gonna give it dimension. So I'm just repeating what I just did until it comes out how you want it. Next, I'm going to take the activator. What this does is it's going to harden what you just put on, because if you go to file resin off, it ain't going to be pretty. So once that dries, you're going to be able to file the nail and buff it, and then we can move on to paint. For the paint, it's really easy. All I'm doing is taking white paint and a really tiny brush and drawing random lines. Once your paint is dry, then you can apply a UV resin, and you can put either 2 or 3 coats of that for 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on which lamp you have. And here's what they look like all done.